What if I told you that something as simple as your morning tea could help you stay strong, walk with ease, and even bring back muscle you thought was gone forever? If you're over 60, your morning cup of tea might hold the secret to keeping your muscles active and your body moving like it did years ago. In this video, I'll reveal 3 powerful teas, all backed by science, that can slow muscle loss, improve circulation, and boost leg strength. And wait until you hear about the third one. It may surprise you with its healing power. Here's the truth. After 60, our bodies naturally lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass every decade. That's why simple activities, like climbing stairs, rising from a chair, or even walking a few minutes, start feeling harder than before. But muscle loss isn't just about strength, it also steals independence, lowers confidence, and limits the freedom to enjoy life. That's why today I'll share 3 special teas, supported by research and real-world results, that can help you rebuild strength, improve mobility, and restore confidence. These aren't your everyday teas. They have unique properties that make a real difference. And the number 1 tea on this list is especially powerful, with ancient roots and surprising benefits for aging muscles. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. What tea do you drink most often? Have you ever thought that tea could actually support your muscles? Drop a comment below. I read everyone, because this isn't just a video, it's a supportive community where we learn and grow stronger together after 60. So stay tuned, because along with revealing these 3 teas, I'll also share practical tips on how to use them safely and effectively, so you get the maximum muscle boosting benefits while protecting your health. Remember, weakness doesn't appear overnight. It creeps in slowly, but the good news is, you can take steps to fight it, starting today. You might have noticed it's getting harder to push yourself up from a low chair. Or your legs feel tired halfway through a walk that once felt effortless. Many people dismiss these changes as just getting older, but in reality, they can be early warning signs of sarcopenia, the medical term for age-related muscle loss. If left unaddressed, this condition can progress quickly. Tasks like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or walking across a parking lot can suddenly feel overwhelming. Weak muscles don't just limit strength, they also affect balance, which increases the risk of dangerous falls. Over time, you may start avoiding activities you once loved, not because you don't want to, but because you no longer feel steady or confident enough. This slow decline can take away independence, freedom, and even your sense of self. The good news is muscle loss isn't permanent. With the right nutrients in the right form, your body can rebuild strength at any age. And surprisingly, some of these nutrients might already be found in a simple cup of tea. After 60, the body also faces another hidden challenge called anabolic resistance. Put simply, when you were younger, every serving of protein worked like a switch that told your muscles to grow and repair. But as you age, that switch becomes harder to turn on. The same amount of protein that once supported muscle growth now produces a weaker response. This explains why, even with a healthy diet, muscles may still shrink over time. Alongside muscle loss, aging brings another hidden challenge: chronic low-grade inflammation. Think of it as a slow-burning fire inside the body. It doesn't cause sharp, sudden pain like an injury, but over time, it quietly damages muscle fibers, weakens them, and slows their ability to repair. On top of that, blood flow to the muscles naturally decreases with age. This creates a perfect storm. Your body receives fewer muscle-building signals, nutrients travel more slowly, and damage outpaces repair. This is exactly where certain teas can make a remarkable difference. Teas are packed with powerful bioactive compounds, natural molecules that work in 3 key ways to support strength and vitality. They reduce inflammation, calming that hidden fire so muscles can heal and recover. They improve circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissue. They boost energy metabolism, helping your body use protein more effectively to rebuild and repair muscle. Some teas are especially rich in polyphenols, plant compounds known for their strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Others contain adaptogens, natural substances that help the body handle stress better and recover more quickly. While protein powders and supplements have their place, tea offers a unique advantage. It delivers these muscle-supporting compounds in a gentle, soothing form that's easy to enjoy every day, without added calories or complicated preparation. Over the years, I've seen many older adults rebuild strength, improve balance, and regain confidence simply by adding the right teas to their routine. The key is choosing teas that specifically address the root causes of age-related muscle loss, and using them consistently. In just a moment, I'll reveal the top 3 teas that stand out for their ability to restore muscle and help you walk strong again. And the number 1 tea on this list is something most people have never heard of, even though it's been respected for centuries and is now backed by modern science for its remarkable muscle-boosting power. Our list begins with rooibos tea, often called South African red tea, taking the number 3 spot. If you haven't heard of it before, you're not alone. Many people in the US overlook it, assuming it's just another herbal tea. But rooibos, made from a shrub grown only in the sun-soaked plains of South Africa, is far from ordinary when it comes to supporting muscle health after 60. One of its key advantages is that it's naturally caffeine-free, so it won't cause jitters or interfere with sleep, a major plus for those sensitive to caffeine. What really makes rooibos stand out, though, is its unique antioxidants, particularly aspalathin and nothofagin. These compounds help calm inflammation, improve circulation, and protect muscle cells from oxidative stress, the slow, invisible damage that speeds up muscle loss with age. A study published in Phytomedicine found that rooibos extract reduced inflammation markers and boosted antioxidant levels in adults. For anyone over 60, that means creating a healthier environment for muscle repair and growth. Now, some people wonder, if it's caffeine-free, does it still give energy? The answer is yes, just in a steadier, more sustainable way. Rooibos helps regulate blood sugar, keeping energy levels balanced so your muscles get a reliable fuel supply throughout the day. This makes you feel stronger and less fatigued. To enjoy its benefits, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose rooibos leaves, or a tea bag, in hot water for at least 5 minutes. You can drink it warm as a soothing evening ritual or chilled over ice during the day. For extra flavor and antioxidants, try adding a slice of orange or a cinnamon stick. Many older adults love rooibos not only for its health benefits but also for its naturally smooth, slightly sweet taste. Because when you enjoy something, you're far more likely to make it a consistent part of your routine, and consistency is exactly what your muscles need. If rooibos has caught your attention, wait until you see the next tea on our list, a timeless classic with muscle-boosting benefits you may never have imagined. Coming in at number 2 is the ever-popular green tea. Loved worldwide, green tea is often chosen for its role in weight management, heart health, or simply as a lighter alternative to coffee. Yet, what many don't realize is its incredible potential to support muscle recovery and strength, especially for those over 60. Its effectiveness comes from a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, found in high concentrations in green tea. Studies, including research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, show that EGCG boosts fat oxidation and significantly improves muscle recovery after activity. For older adults, the key isn't just burning fat, it's creating the right internal environment for muscles to heal and grow stronger. Some avoid green tea because of its bitterness, but that usually comes from brewing mistakes. The best approach is to steep it in water heated to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, just below boiling, for 2 to 3 minutes. This produces a smoother, more pleasant taste. Adding a slice of lemon not only improves flavor but also helps your body absorb green tea's beneficial compounds more efficiently. For best results, aim for 1 to 2 cups a day, ideally in the morning or early afternoon, when your muscles can most benefit from improved blood flow and antioxidant support. Green tea has long been part of my own daily routine, and I've seen it help countless older adults maintain leg strength, recover faster, and preserve mobility as they age. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the powerful ashwagandha root tea. While many think of tea and muscle building as an unusual pair, this ancient remedy has been trusted in Ayurvedic medicine for more than 3,000 years. Often called Indian ginseng, ashwagandha isn't just an energy booster, it's one of the most well-researched herbs. For improving strength, muscle growth, and resilience, particularly as we age. Its strength comes from natural compounds called withanolides, which act as adaptogens, helping the body handle stress, whether from exercise or the aging process. What makes ashwagandha especially unique is its proven ability to support healthy testosterone levels, enhance muscle protein synthesis, and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that contributes to muscle breakdown. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that older adults who took ashwagandha saw significant improvements in muscle size and strength, even without big lifestyle changes. Although many people know ashwagandha in capsule form, brewing it as a tea is one of the oldest and most soothing methods. To prepare it, Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried root in a cup of water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. Many enjoy it with a splash of milk and a pinch of cinnamon, which not only improves the taste but also supports blood sugar balance. Most people tolerate ashwagandha well, but if you have thyroid problems, autoimmune conditions, or take blood pressure or blood sugar medications, it's best to check with your doctor first. So, there you have it, the top 3 teas for rebuilding muscle after 60. Remember, these teas aren't magic on their own, consistency is key. Make them part of your daily routine, and you'll be creating the perfect environment for your muscles to repair, grow, and support you for years to come. Before you try them, a quick note: consult your doctor if you have liver issues, caffeine sensitivity, or health conditions that may interact with ashwagandha. Now I'd love to know, which of these teas are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could inspire someone else. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more science-based health tips to help you stay strong, active, and independent at any age.